Hi everyone, my name is Peter Watson. Welcome to the Fusion 360 Showcase. Through these videos, I'll be highlighting some of the standout functionality of Fusion 360 when compared to other CAD CAM software. There's a lot of chatter surrounding Fusion's design and machining functionality. From a cost perspective, it's extremely well priced, offering a wide range of services from design to assemblies to generating your drawings for the workshop and of course manufacturing. This helps to avoid costly machine crashes as well as speed up your workshop's production. I'm not here to tell you what to think, I'm here to share my own experiences, so let's get to it. Let's focus on sketching. A nice, quick, easy way that we found in order to take a JPEG or a PNG, say it's a company logo, for the guys on water jets, plasma cutters and routers. There's a much quicker, easier way to trace out those pictures. So if I take, for example, this lion head, you could import this image to a plane in Fusion and then with the sketch tool come and start drawing out all of these lines. Obviously there is other ways around this and we found a much quicker, easier way. So there's free software called Inkscape. If you then take that image, and I'm going to now open this within Inkscape quickly. So let's take this lion head and bring it into Inkscape. Click OK. There's a very cool function in here that you can do under path, and you can then say trace, but it does give you quite a few options for smoothing out the corners, which I find to be quite handy. Okay, you can see it's now gone and created those contour lines around and actually traced out this image for us. So I'm just going to go and export this now as an SVG file. Let's call this lion head for Fusion. So now if we go into Fusion and we go insert, so you can insert SVGs, you can insert DXFs, you can export DXFs. We're going to insert this SVG, line for Fusion. Let's go and select our sketch plane. And you can see we've now can import and we can scale this image, and it's actually given us quite a nice result. So this is a much quicker way of auto tracing an image that you can then go and cut on a big piece of steel, for example. And I think in this case, let's actually go and do that. So I just want to go out of this. And let's say, for example, if we wanted to, on a water jet, go and cut out this lion head on a 1 meter by 1 meter sheet. So 1 meter by 1 meter, I'm just creating a sketch to the size so we can obviously scale it to the correct dimensions. So we now have a box, 1 meter by 1 meter. Let's go and let's just finish the sketch. Let's go and insert this SVG again. And we can now scale and bring this to exactly the size that we want it to be. And now we have our lion head scaled up to 1 meter by 1 meter. If we now just go, I just want to give this some thickness quickly. And let's go across to manufacture. In this case, I'm going to go to fabrication. So if we now go into our cutting 2D profile, first thing we're going to do is select our machine. In this case, we can send it to a water jet, to a laser cutter, or to a plasma cutter. I'm going to be using a water jet for this example. And let's just go select that. While we're in this tool as well, it's also important to note, if you right click and you go edit your tool, you can go and then change the dimensions and the sizes or parameters to match your machine as well. Our next step, into our geometry tab, it's now asking us to select our contours. So I'm going to start off selecting the contours that I wanted to come and machine. Okay, so we now have a green tick and Fusion has now calculated our toolpath. When I go and say simulate, we can now go and see, and there we go. So I found it to be a nice, quick, easy way in order to take a company logo, a JPEG, a PNG, easily trace it over, bring it into Fusion, and throw toolpaths on it.
Looks simple enough, Peter. So how is sketching in Fusion 360 simpler from other CAD CAM software out there?
Well, Pins, unlocking Fusion 360's power in sketching elevates your design game. Unlike other CAD CAM software, Fusion 360 offers a swift solution for tracing images with applications like Inkscape. From logos to intricate designs, autotrace in Fusion 360 simplifies the process. Scale, cutter, and manufacture seamlessly. Experience the efficiency. Choose Fusion 360 for unmatched sketching simplicity. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for tips on the CAD CAM clash, where I share how Fusion 360 and its extensions outperform other competing CAD CAM software. Remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to access more of this and other helpful content, and follow us on social media. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at peter@bakerbains.com.